Mr. Officer.
What's going on right now?
I've been cut off.
Okay, come on now. Come on, Daryl.
A lesbian, I love women.
Get that swamp buggy on the go here now.
I think maybe it is.
Oh, not liking that. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Fire that up. Come on now. Here we go.
I didn't hear that.
Ride the wave.
Next year we're coming fucking big, bro. I got a fucking 87 Chevy, jacked right up. I got it sitting in the shop. We got a big March. We're gonna fucking...
Yeehaw!
You're gonna drive. I know. You're gonna drive. You're gonna drive. Look at that, look at that.
Oh! Come on, cheer him on, folks. All the way. Come on now.
Little skip is going on.
I'm going to tell you guys that that big articulating 9420R John Deere got stuck right there earlier today. It took him about 10 minutes to get out. You got to go around that spot right there. You can go down that way. You can take that line, but then you need to go to the right to get around there somehow.